Hello, I'm Tom Knox. I'm the founder and CEO of CareFamily, and I want to welcome you to the second part in our series about the benefits of home care. You know, home care can really relieve the stress of adult children and help the senior feel and remain independent. You know, the first reason why we feel like home care can be a good idea and how it can relieve stress is that by having a caregiver in the home, helping the senior loved one, they can take on some of the chores and some of the responsibilities that are often really hard for the adult child. Things like bathing and dressing, doing laundry, changing linens, all those things that take a lot of time. And when we're raising our own kids and we're trying to help our own husband or wife, when you got to go to mom or dad's and do all that work, not only does it create a time issue, but man, it can create resentment and other things. So by having a caregiver that comes in and cooks and cleans and bathes and dresses, you can focus on the things you want to with your mom or dad. The second thing is getting the right caregiver in the home that you feel comfortable with and that mom and dad feel there's some sort of a link or bond with can create a lot of companionship, friendships, and involvement that oftentimes as the adult child you can't provide for them. Seniors often feel isolated in their home like shut-ins, but by having the right person who brings companionship in the environment, that gets them out, that brings them to lunch, that can have talks with them, that can take old recipes and cook meals, that level of companionship can reduce depression and can create a great home environment for that senior. Lastly, boy, as a son or daughter, you want to be the son or daughter of your adult child. And so by having a home care provider there, and by them focusing on the things that are needed for mom and dad and their physical, mental, and household needs, you can be the adult child again, the true one, who comes over and has a cup of coffee with mom or dad, takes them out to dinner, spends time with them, and you're not rushing around trying to manage all your responsibilities and then having mom or dad be another to-do. You can be their kid, which is what they want you to be. If you have questions regarding home care in general, go to the link at the bottom of this page and we would be glad to answer your personal question. Thank you for joining us.